It just stood on the slope, about 300 meters from the house, until it entered. It's like this here. Pitch black, 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 pitch black. If I understood correctly, it went that way. There. I almost ran out of time. I got a little flooded, but it's okay. Now it's raining, of course. Actually, it's a good bed, as you can see. I don't want to close the entire dorm yet, so it's still flooded, unfortunately. It's still smelly, but this is the smelliest spot right here. It's not flooded. There are fewer trees there, but inside I don't care, because what will be there, nothing will be there. Maybe these trees turn to mud. We replace them. The most important thing is to turn the trees into mud. Ming Pio Canada manga. Thanks for watching. See you next time. On the final stretch, I've already almost all of it. These angles, not angles, but exits. And then scissors, because now knife scissors. Why scissors, if possible, knife scissors? I have no obstacles, even helped a few times. Just quiet, 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 quiet. There are two small ones left. Basically, I'm 100% enough. How did we guess? We just prepared the branches, just got them ready. That is, everything fits, 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 everything fits. I burned the flame, then 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 I burned the flame. The sky isn't like thunder fog. I don't know if it will suddenly go, and this door here won't save me, but it's not good because there's loneliness here. Like this, shining somewhere in the distance. I don't know how far. I won't say, I don't know. Anyway, I'll ring the bell at the last moment, block it, and then it'll be cool. Clouds blow cloud fog. I'm afraid of rain. Besides the machine, I can also rinse everything. Even the toilet isn't very suitable for flooding, but it's okay. The most important thing is not to flood the machine. I'm afraid of that, so I think I can install it somewhere. Make a small house, put things there, then lie down myself. Because in the toilet is heavy. Because in the toilet, I'll need a long time in the toilet. I'll need a long time in the toilet. I'll need a long time. Now it feels like it could rain at any moment. I don't know. I hope I'm wrong because the weather seems clear. 50/50. I don't know how to look either. Maybe I can't see anything at all, but I'm sitting in the bathroom again, and I covered the bathroom again because the rain started. That is, I understood before the rain, he will go now, covered it, and then I guessed. Now I'm sitting with everything and the dog. I closed the window so mosquitoes don't fly in, but they fly in anyway, so it's useless. There's a bump here, and the window there isn't closed yet. Where's the light coming from? I should start when the rain stops flowing. Actually, I did everything I wanted, meaning I made the window. I have a small bump there. What would I want to do? There's no wood there, no wood. After 4 meters, it won't go in, so I need to think about it. Not 4 meters, 30 meters. It's raining. Oh, the dog has already run away. I wonder why it's on the street. Anyway, we waited for the rain. It seems to be over. I'm still here, but I have to go out already. After 5, they announced rain. By the sound, rain will appear. I just got rained on, not rained on. I did all the tasks. Remember how much stuff there is here. Nothing left. I think this is definitely cool. The house got a view. Goodbye, everyone. Like and subscribe to my channel. I'm dressed like this, it's Panam. I'm wearing it on my pants like this because I filmed it, then I started eating. You understand? Write your comments. Do you think this house is my work? I don't know if there's a dog. Anyway, goodbye. Anyway, we put the last coffin upstairs, put the bees here. These windows must all be closed. Here, 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 here. It's blocked here, and then it's already hanging perfectly. There's a nest here, nothing to block it with here, but we blocked it with bells. Basically, everything is blocked. Basically, it's such a paradise cool.